Welcome, family. This is what we're having today. Look at that. Oh, yes. Coconut caramel pecan bars. I mean, with lots, loaded with chocolate chips, of course. Yes. So come join me. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take 1 cup of butter, and this is a new recipe, so I got it from Modern Honey website. This part of it, the cookie part of it, I have a different recipe for the rest of it. And to see, we want to cream this with the sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Packed. Make sure you pack your brown sugar. Pack it in. 1 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white sugar. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we're going to cream this together. You want to cream that about 3 to 4 minutes so it's good and creamy. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 large eggs and vanilla. I want to test our eggs in a glass of water. Nope, no, it doesn't float. It's a good egg. See that? It's floating. That's a bad egg. So try another one. Good egg. Okay, now I'm going to put my eggs in a separate container. Okay, now I add 2 eggs. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay. Okay, now we're going to give this a mix. Okay. I don't have cake flour, so we're going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. One, two, and three. Now I'm also going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of cornstarch. There, 3/4 of a teaspoon, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, I guess I do not need the beaters, so I am going to gently fold this together. See if I can use this. It said not to over mix, so but I don't know. Let me get the bigger one here. This works really good. I don't know where I got this. I've had it for years, but I love it. Okay. This is nice. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Chocolate chunks. You have chocolate chunks. So it says 2 cups, but you know I love chocolate, so I'm just going to finish off the bag with it. Okay. Give this a mix. Just until you get the sure you get all the way to the bottom there where there's still flour. But be gentle with it though. Be gentle with the dough. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to put it into a baking sheet here. And I'm going to bake it like bars. I've got my oven on 375. And I'm just going to bake it for, I don't know. I'm going to check them at 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. need a few. I'm going to add, the recipe calls for 1/3 cup, but I'm going to add quadruple that, because you know me. I made a bigger pan than I should have. Okay, now I'm going to add coconut. I love coconut. I've been known to eat it right out of the bag. I used to love buying coconuts and eat. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to add, instead of 1/3, I'm going to add it 4 times. And this is how I cook. 1 for the road. 1 shot for the road. Okay, and I'm going to add one teaspoon of salt. It's the recipe says 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm doing it times 4, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Now we just wait for the cookie dough to come out after 10 minutes and do the rest. Okay, I had it in there for 13 minutes because my oven's slow instead of 10. Now we're going to sprinkle this pecan and coconut over the dough. See why I made more? Okay. Now we're going to put some regular chocolate chips on it. And I'm using semi-sweet. I don't have milk chocolate, so we're just going to use semi-sweet. I'm going to sprinkle those over the top. Right? Why save just a few? Okay, now we're going to put this back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's set. Okay, it was in 25 minutes, and we're just going to let this sit until it cools, about 30 minutes. Okay, now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take caramel. I bought caramel sundae sauce, and we're just going to drizzle it over the top of this. So good. There you go. You better get this part too, around the edges. Yum, right? Thanks for joining me today for coconut caramel pecan bars, loaded with chocolate chips. Now, I'm going to try to taste this, and hopefully I can just eat one little bite. Coconut, chocolate, caramel. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. So yeah, oh boy. I'll put the ingredients in the description box. And trying to think where I found this. Oh, and I found this on my baking addiction website. Yeah. So, yeah. So yes, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. It helps the algorithm. It helps YouTube know that I'm out there. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.